Exness is an online trading platform primarily focused on forex and other financial instruments. Making money on Exness, like any trading platform, involves a combination of skills, analysis, and risk management. Here's a brief guide. Educate yourself. Before trading on Exness, educate yourself about forex markets, trading strategies, and risk management. Understand how the platform operates. Create an account. Sign up and create an account on the Exness platform. Verify your account as required. Practice with a demo account. Exness provides demo accounts for practice. Use this to familiarize yourself with the platform, test strategies, and understand market dynamics without risking real money. Understand market analysis. Conduct thorough market analysis using technical and fundamental analysis tools. Stay informed about economic indicators and global events that can impact financial markets. Risk management. Implement risk management strategies. Set stop-loss orders, diversify your trades, and avoid over-leveraging to protect your capital. Choose trading instruments. Exness offers a variety of financial instruments. Choose the currency pairs or assets you want to trade based on your analysis and market conditions. Start with small investments. Begin with small investments as you gain experience. Only trade with amounts you can afford to lose. Continuous learning. Stay updated on market trends, news, and continuously improve your trading skills. Adapt your strategies as market conditions change. Withdraw profits. If you make profits, consider withdrawing a portion to secure your earnings.